Hey, you guys want to see a waterfall in the winter? Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a quick hike up to a waterfall near High Hob on the Loyalsock Trail. It's pretty wintry out, as you can see. Got my new down jacket. I'm excited to try it out. It feels very warm and light. Let's get hiking. Alright, so we made it to the waterfall. It's actually really nice out here today. Just getting this little bit of snow and the waterfall, and it's not frozen yet, so you're getting that in between winter and just about to freeze. I'm sure this thing will be frozen over in a couple months, so it's really nice to get the snow and the moving water. And so now I'm going to get some pretty cool B-roll shots of this place and film a bit, and then head back down. Only doing about a quick 1 mile hike today. Coat's still staying pretty warm. I'm really happy with it. And then hopefully I'll be able to get out of here with my little Nissan later. Well, see you back on the trail. Hope you enjoy this B-roll. Do you want to build a snowman? Meet my buddy Jeff. He's a cool guy. All right, guys, so I made it back down to the parking lot. I made it to my car all right. Hopefully I get out of this snow-packed road okay. But it was very great overall. The waterfall looked amazing in the snow, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. I'm always coming out with new backpacking and hiking content. And also like this video if you like this video. And until next time, guys, keep on hiking.